What it do, YouTube? What it do? It's your girl Bree, and I am back once again with another video. Boom. But yeah, so today I'm going to be doing an updated Q&A for the ass. Okay. No, I'm just playing. I'm doing everybody intro. If y'all watch YouTube, y'all know who intros I'm doing there. But anyways, yeah, so today, y'all seen that title, y'all seen that thumbnail. I'm gonna be doing a little updated Q&A. You feel me? I ain't done one in a minute, and I just been dropping videos and ain't done an updated Q&A, and I got a few little new subscribers. I'm gonna try to get back to posting. I at least want to post 2 videos a week. That's going to be my goal. I'm really going to try. That's going to be my goal. And I'm sorry if I'm not looking in the camera because I'm looking at the phone. But yes, y'all understand me, period. But yes, so my goal is to try to drop 2 videos a week. But yeah, I know I've been slacking. It's been a week since I dropped a video. But here I am again, about to drop this video. I don't know when I'm gonna drop it, but y'all see it when you see it. But anyways, I'm gonna be doing a little seafood mukbang slash Q&A. So yeah, let me show y'all my food real quick. Okay, so this is my food. Hope y'all can see it. The lighting is pretty bad. Let's see. So my food, yes, y'all. My little cousin was selling these bowls or whatever. So I pre-ordered one yesterday and I got it today. And it looks bomb as AF. Thumbnail. Okay, I'm gonna switch camera. Okay, so yeah. Y'all probably won't be able to see my food as I eat or whatever at the same time. I don't know where this light needs to go. But anyways, I hope y'all can see me or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna say my grace. Thank you, Jesus, for this food. Thank you for the people that prepared it. Nourish my body. In the name of Jesus, I pray. Amen. Alright, so let's dig in. I got my questions written down. I got 15 questions written down on this little piece of mail that ain't really important. But anyways, let's get it. I'm probably not gonna do it in order because I'm gonna start with the basic ones. I didn't write them really in order for but I'm gonna start with the basic ones just so my new subscribers can get to know me or whatever. And yeah, so first things first, who am I? I am Bree. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I don't think I said that in the beginning. Before I get too far in this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you get notified every time your girl upload a new video or what is. But yes, so I'm Bree. Question number 1. I'm Bree. That's me. Okay. How old are you? I am 20 years old. I will be 21. Well, that was a question. I'm 20 years old. So next question, when's your birthday? My birthday is September 22nd. I will be 21 September 22nd. Yes. I'm gonna mark these questions off or whatever, y'all, so I won't be getting confused or whatnot. So yeah, my birthday is coming up and your girl finna be 21. Let me taste this food. My mama said it was real spicy. Okay, I mean, it is a little spicy. I got some potato strips, sausages, egg, and a corn. It's good. My mom said mine didn't come with no egg. It did come, I mean, with a corn, it did. But I got two, so I like corn. It's good. I'm eating. Yeah. But yeah. Y'all don't know how long I've been wanting to do this video. Last time I had seafood, I had the crab legs. I had it all, but I was in a rush to go somewhere, so I didn't have time to make a video. So I didn't. This time I didn't get crab legs. I just got the shrimps, the sausage, the corn, and potatoes, and the eggs. No crab legs this time. But yeah, so I answered my birthday. How old am I? Who am I? Next question. Sorry y'all, there's corn in my teeth. I should have grabbed me a toothpick. It is kind of spicy. I got me a Mountain Dew. I really don't drink soda. I just got Mountain Dew. So. Anyways, next question. What TV shows do I like? Okay, so what TV shows do I like? Let me cross it out. I like Teen Mom, OG, or Teen Mom 2. I like X on the Beach, Jersey Shore. I watch a lot of reality TV shows, so yeah, mostly. It's what I watch is reality TV or whatever. Next question is, what kind of music do I listen to? I listen to all kinds of music, to be honest. I don't discriminate unless it's pop, rock, that shit like that. Nah, I don't listen to shit like that. But I listen to country, R&B, blues. I think I did a latest playlist video before, but if y'all want an updated one, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. But yeah, so all kind of music, really. Worst injury you ever had. Worst injury I ever had. Let me eat. I'm hungry. This shrimp's so good. They just go in your mouth just like. Okay, but anyways. Worst injury I ever had was my finger. Yeah. My finger got cut off. I believe I was 13. First time ever going to San Antonio. First time ever going to Slitterbuns. So we get down there to San Antonio. That'll be another story time. If you want a story time on that, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. But yeah, my finger is my worst injury. So if you want a story time on that, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Next, do you miss anyone or anything? Yes, I miss all my loved ones that is going to glory. Rest in peace. I miss all them. And I miss my bro, free my big bro. The wait won't be long, 10/19. He coming home. But yeah, my loved ones that I lost, my brother on lock, my uncle on lock, freedom, free the real. So yeah, next question. Biggest pet peeve. This is something y'all needs to know about me, okay? Cause it's my biggest pet peeve, like biggest. I got a couple that I can't really pinpoint out right now, unless I'm in a situation for real. But I hate being rushed. Like, I'm gonna try this egg. Hold on. I hate being rushed. That's my biggest, most number one pet peeve is that your girl hates being rushed. Don't rush me. If you call me 30 minutes before you want me to do something, 9 times out of 10, I'm probably not gonna do it, because if I ain't got that much time to get ready, or if I ain't got that much time to do whatever I need to do before I'm supposed to do what you asked me to do, or I'm supposed to go where I'm supposed to go, I hate it. Like, I just hate it. Like, I hate being rushed. I freaking hate last minute stuff. Like, you know, even though I do procrastinate sometimes and be last minute, but if it's my own event or my own thing I'm doing, it's okay if I procrastinate or I rush to get it done. It's okay. But like, I hate when somebody else rush me to get something done. Like, I hate it. I like to do it on my time to make sure it's good and right and I'm ready and I'm prepared, all that. Like, I just hate being rushed. My biggest pet peeve. Favorite movie, y'all, I have a couple. You feel me? I'm sorry if I got juice leaking, but this is good. Mama said it was spicy. It's not that spicy. But yeah, my favorite movie is Madea Goes to Jail. That's number one. I can watch that all day long. The play or the original by Tyler Perry. Friday. I can watch Friday. All the Fridays. But really, the second one is my best. Friday After Next. Or Next Friday. Yeah, Next Friday. That's my favorite one. I don't know why, but I like that one the most out of all of them. Y'all feel me? So yeah, Madea Goes to Jail, Friday After Next, Selena. I love that movie. Yeah, next question. Or whatever. Do you have any kids, or do you plan on having any kids? To answer y'all motherfucking me question, no, I don't have any kids, but yes, I do have 2 god kids. I have a godson who is 5 months. Yeah, 5 months. And a goddaughter who is 3. And y'all, I love them to death. Do I plan on having kids of my own? Yes, I want 3. 2 sons and a girl. If you don't eat eggs with your seafood boil, you ain't eating no seafood boil, period. But yeah, I want 3. And I don't have any right now. These people just over here texting me. Okay, next question. Do you want to get married? Yes, I would love to get married one day. Have a big old ball gown dress, and yeah, it's looking nice. And I want my man to be crying. If he ain't crying, I'm turning around. No, for real. but yeah, I do want to get married. Question 10: Are you in college or plan on going to college? Let me answer y'all question real quick. I'm actually watching Hot Pursuit right now. It's a really good movie. To answer your question, am I in college or do I plan on going? No, I'm not in college right now, and yes, I do plan on going. I really want to go online, but my aunt thinks it's best to go on campus. So right now, I'm torn in between the two, if I'm going to go online or if I'm going to go on campus. I want to go for human resources because I want to be a social worker one day in life. So, yes. Next question, plans for the future. I'm getting this shit all over my desk. I'm happy I got me a desk I can sit right here and do videos, y'all, because before I was sitting in my closet or sitting on the floor. But I got me a desk and a chair. So, boom. I ate all this shit. I got another corn. Even though I still got some of the other ones stuck in my teeth. I'm getting full, but hold on, let me eat a little more real quick. And I'm gonna finish this off. I'm sorry if I'm smacking. It's good. I wish your shrimp was bigger, but hey. I really demolished this, y'all. I just got sausage and potatoes left. I really don't mess with sausages that much. It's spicy, but it ain't too spicy like I can't handle, but my mouth is burning. Now my window up and I hear people, so my bad if y'all hear other people. So anyways, back to where I was at. My plans for the future is to be successful, live my life drama-free, get to my body goal. I'm working on that now to get to my body goal. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, successful, my body goal, positivity, and whatever happens, happens. Whatever comes next comes with it. You know, I'm the type of person that I really don't like planning things out because nothing really ever goes as planned. So I'm the type to go with the flow type of person. Like, whatever happens, happens. Type of person. So, my bad, I'm trying to clean this desk. anyway, so that's my plan. Just be successful and stuff. But yeah. Yeah, next question. First thing you notice about a person. First thing I notice about a person is their attitude, their body language, the way they speak, how they act, like all that. I'll be watching all that, like all that. You might not think I'm watching that hard or peeping you that hard, but I be peeping people, and I can peep people really quick. So I don't fuck with too many because I can peep them really quickly, and I'm cut that shit off. Period. If your energy ain't right. So, yeah. Hardest thing to lose or give up. I don't know, y'all. Hardest thing to lose right now for me, it'll probably have to be my mom. Be the hardest thing to lose right now in my life. But yeah, I don't even want to think about that type of shit. I don't even want to think about that type of shit. But my heart goes out to any females or any children that's out there and don't have their mother. Like, my heart goes out to y'all because I don't know how I would survive. The Lord will figure it out some way, somehow for me whenever that day comes. But yeah, that's the hardest thing to lose or to give up on. It's her. Right or wrong, I'm riding with her. Next question. 5 years from now, where do you see yourself? This is basically like the same question. Where do I see myself in the future? 5 years from now, I will be about to be 26. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm 20 right now. I'll be 21 next Sunday. So if it was today, 5 years from now, I would be 25, gonna be 26. And I will see myself in a home, either renting or buying a nice home, a nice car, a nice career, and happy, and happy. Last question. I know y'all been watching this video forever. Language you song, or it's a lot of questions. If it's too many questions for you, I don't know what to tell you. But anyways, thanks for watching. But yeah, the last question is, what is my channel going to be about? So I say this question for last because I haven't really been posting that much, and I haven't even really been consistent. That's the same thing as posting that much. Yeah. But anyways, so yeah, I said that question for last. What is my channel going to be about, and how it's going to go, and stuff like that. So my channel is going to be about my life. I really wanted to make it like that, but it's some things I'm not like. Some things I'm just not ready to put out there on the internet or whatever. If you know me, you know. If you don't, you don't. But yeah, so I really want it to be about my life. I really want to vlog my life like each and every day and show y'all different stuff each and every day. But I really don't do shit. I don't do nothing. I go to work and I go home. And now I stopped working about a week ago, and now a bitch just be at home. Hopefully I'll start my new job probably next week. So yeah, I just been at home till I start my new job. I've just been chilling. So I want my channel to be about me. I want it to be about my life. I want to show y'all different things. Okay, so I don't know why the camera cut off, but I dropped my phone and it's all cracked up and it's been acting retarded. So yeah, and I record off my phone. So yeah, so anyways, I want to do pranks, I want to do challenges, I want to do vlogs and different things that y'all want to see me do. I want to do that. I need y'all guys and y'all girls to help me make this channel something that you will watch. So I'm gonna need everybody. So comment down below video ideas you want to see. I got a whole bunch of video ideas that I want to do, but like I really don't have nobody to do them with. So if there's anybody I have collabed with and you want me to collab with them again, comment down below and let me know. Cause there's a lot of videos I want to do, but I need somebody to do them with, and everybody got their own lives and stuff, and I got mine, and so like I don't know when I'm be able to get these videos out for y'all that I want to do, but yeah, I'm gonna try to get them out soon. So yeah, that's basically the end of my updated Q&A. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below on what you want to see next on my channel. It will help me a lot. Please and thank you. And I thank you to your mama, auntie, sisters, brothers, cousins, daddies to come subscribe to my channel. It's Liddy. And y'all, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.